I was able to get a piece of ELAB, guys. It was solid. Not huge size, but almost 3,000 shares, and it paid pretty big. Paid like pretty big. I wish I had a better size. I wanted to add a little bit more at 420. But starting off the day right is always fun. Yesterday in all of my pre-market, I had done only 800. Look at this. Oh my gosh, this is selling off. Where is it gonna go? It's already rock bottom. So look at the pattern on 1 hour. It goes to 560, come back to 290. Today 380, down to 240. So from where it starts, it goes below. You guys see this? Look at this. So look at this. Goes at 270 and goes, this was a 5 yesterday. Came down all the way to 148. Look at that, crazy stuff, guys. And if you go a little bit further, look at this on daily. It goes in negative. From wherever it starts, it goes in negative. So it's a habit for this ticker to go into negative once it drops. So you guys remember ELAB? ELAB just pays us once it drops. You can chase it from anywhere.
Advancing a market update. S&P futures down 39, Dow futures down 23. Nasdaq is down 260.
SBEV. I played this after hour yesterday, but I played it from 270 to 250, something like that. Rather 370 to 350, 330.
Coming up at 8:30, retail sales for March. At 9:15, capacity utilization rate, industrial production, and manufacturing production for March. Business inventories and the NAHB housing market index for April at 10 a.m. Eastern time. At 10:30, crude and gasoline inventories. At 1 p.m., the 20-year bond auction.
So this is what I was telling you guys. Take a look. 1 hour. 563 goes to 298. Actually started at $4. Today it started at 288, goes to 384, goes to 230, negative. And it's still down, still going down. Spike means somebody's trying to sell it more. Market is going to be dull. Mira has not run in months. M-I-R-A. Mira can be crazy. Goes to like, once it crosses 160, 170, goes to like 230, 270, 280. Crazy.
Morning, everybody.
Hey, good morning, buddy.
Looking at BCTX.
Looking at what?
BCTX.
BCTX. We played this recently. I'm long on that one, if I'm not mistaken. BCTX. I am long on that one. Yep, I am long. I am long from 380. And I've already sold it at 570. Not today, but a couple days ago. When it came out a few days ago, 540. I've sold it. I have 900 shares left. I am long on that, swing long. So you guys would have to do on your own on that short. I am long and I am 40% in money. I just picked it up a few days ago, only BCTX. It's 38% in money. But I can tell you it's a short level right here, 545, 550. The other day also, it fell from right from this area. This is an area right here at 550, and a really good area again right at 649. So I think I will take it over 640, guys. I've taken some more profit out, just few hundred, leaving about 700 shares. I should have done this the other day itself. Selling BCTX. Probably I'll be all out when it gets to like 610. I'll be all out. But it does drop from 540, guys. 550. It dropped the other day. Looks the same here. There's no news, right? Brand the news positive survival data in its phase 2 study of BRIA IMT plus checkpoints inhibitors.
ADTX, Anatech subsidiary Persanta received IRB approval to initiate clinical study of blood-based diagnostic for endometriosis and patient enrollment plan to begin in May. That's Alpha Delta Tango X-ray ADTX.
It's a short in BCTX. Like I said, 550 is a short area. You're gonna get 5 out of it. At least 480, 490. Positive survival data means nothing. It's an average news. It should fall to $5 from this 555 right now. Good morning, guys. Everybody who has joined on our social media. Hope you're liking it. Please like, subscribe, and share. We are live trading with our team and members and friends. So far, just the one good play, ELAB. BCTX was a swing long, so that doesn't count. But it is going toward 5, and it's at 520. And I will close my position once I hit like 6 plus, and that's where I would be great short, 640. You guys still have about 30 cents more to drop from here, guys. 30 more cents. 506. 506. I am not, but it is short from 550 to 506. It's about 45, 55 cents drop. I am still holding some portion of a long position, Wes, so I will get out of it when it hits 640, when I get about 50%. I was expecting, at least I want to stay focused with my target of 50%. It's 40%. It gets to 40% when I take my profit. I've taken it twice. I think I was waiting for the other day to go to 6. It didn't. It's okay. We'll take time. I usually don't put swings in this account. Occasionally I check out some stuff and put, so I should not be actually putting swing in this account, but I have. I put occasionally a few of them. Most of the time, like, I have a swing account which is different than this. But there's 506 coming up right here. There's 510. You guys will see 506 on this. Got to 512. Bounced right off. It should fail again from this area. It should fail again. If you didn't get the entry, that would be an entry again. RSI. It should give you but it should give you only like 45 cents, 45 to 50 cents. So if you're expecting bigger than that, then that's not the stock.
PGR Progressive reporting Q1 earnings of $4.35. The estimate was $4.78.
Same area, same rejection. I told you guys it's gonna touch 506. Look out. That's why I hate getting it stuck into long, because I would have made 40 cents twice now. Seriously, I would have made 40 cents twice. And that's a lot more fun than trying to wait for 60 cents on the upside. But this one is going to be game today. Yesterday, well, not yesterday, day before, I believe on Monday, this thing just failed, right? Went up, came down on 14th. Today, they might have a little bit more game, so have your locates, okay? Because locates go away pretty quick on BCTX. It has a 2.36 million float. TGL also have your locates. It's going to be game all day. TGL, BCTX both. TGL is a good short right around 350, 345. VHIO from yesterday, still down. Fun stuff, huh? Just, I mean, BCTX, when I had sold part of my long, like I said, I only had 900 shares. And I sold a few hundred shares more. Where am I? Oh, so I'm up like 3,300, not much. But nothing major to sell yet. Besides that one, very small size. I was 4,100 size yesterday, day before yesterday. So that's my realized for the day so far in half an hour's worth of work. I'll sell it all out at $6 on my long. And then I'll flip short at 640. Lots of volume. 845 is a rejection area as of now. I gotta get rid of my long position at this point, but because it's making this account should be just for short. I'm just being stubborn because I wanted 50% and hasn't done it, but has done 40%. SBEV is no good till actually it gets to 440. SBEV, without a doubt, needs to be 440. There's no other areas. 394, but that's not going to happen.
Coming up,
420, that's not going to happen. Best is 450. BCTX, if you guys in from 445, it's gonna drop. It is gonna drop. Just be patient. Yesterday was also pretty dull pre-market, but then in the market time, it was busy throughout. By 12 o'clock, it felt so busy that we had really good time, and then it finally actually got on the wrong side for us right around 2 o'clock. What is breaking out? Mira. I told you guys Mira is one of those crazy ones. 140 is the short. 140 is the short. Breaks 170, this sucker goes to like 280. So we gotta be careful with this. Somewhere we have to take a stop at like 178 and say thank you.
Plus 1.4% versus plus 1.3%.
Wow, this guy's loud.
Core retail sales plus 0.5% versus plus 0.4% expected month over month for March.
So 140 on Mira is a great short.
Right now are fairly steady, down about 40.
29% up. Needs to get to 130. I will take it, guys. Just above 130.
Vivos to acquire largest sleep center operator in Nevada. That's Victor Oscar Sandy.
So
NNE, nanonuclear energy.
this is where you want to take it. I just put a line at 133. Come on, push it up, dude. 28%, that's no good.
UAVS, Agigal.
Nah, it just went to 123.
CFO, Uniform Alpha Victor Sandy. SCHW, Schwab, may announce a strategic investment in wealth.com to support estate planning capability for investors. That's SCHW.
BCTX keeps going to like 515 and just keeps bouncing instead of giving you guys 505, 506.
The name CEO replacing David
123 to 108 would have been nice, but that's not up enough.
as the CEO.
That's not up enough.
That's Charlie November Delta Romeo. Charlie November Delta Tango CNTT.
SBEV, like I said, game on
Charlie Delta
at 450. Yep, Mira would have done 123, 108. Not up enough for us to get in. Jesus. That's not even an area. Look at that. 1 hour. Not even an area. Look at that. I mean, come on. 129. That's even weak. But the best area is solid. 133. 133 has a multiple drops. If you look at it, multiple drops right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drops at 133. Crappy stuff. SBEV. This is where we're going to take it, guys. I said keep your locates. It's going to be play all day. SBEV. That's the area to get in. Look at that. Did anybody catch Mira? MIRA? It was 10 cents away. So it was pretty far. And 10%. Nope. Yeah, I've been watching Mira since morning, Wes.
Lotus Advanced Technologies, that's LOT, Lima Oscar
So
Tango,
BCTX, I'm still hoping that you guys will get your 505.
Reborn China secures strategic matches supply. Romeo Echo Bravo November.
D-Lab was my play of the day here. Look at that. That was solid, guys. Yeah, the very first one I got it for like 28% drop, 378, 333. Wow, that was just fantastic. Come on, even SBEV, don't be failing that.
Autonomics granted new European patent for proprietary catheter-based technology, Alpha Michael India X-ray.
Alpha Michael India X-ray. Okay then. 975 shares traded. BCTX is back at 540. Now it could cause a little bit of trouble. It caused a little bit of trouble. I mean, they did not do 505. There you go. Come on, drop it for you guys. I mean, I'm long, but I'm pulling for you guys because this is a short area. But it's freaking giving 30 cents like gazillion times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles. 30 cents. It's crazy. 545 to 515. It's like, look at that. Again. Hopefully it goes down to 505. This BCTX is still 515, 510, 30 cents from 545. If you would have done, I mean, you can't do 30 cents. I mean, a lot of people scalp 30 cents. It's hard to scalp 30 cents, guys. Hopefully it gives you, it's just 10 to 15 cents away from the profit area for you guys. It's again at 519. There it comes. Maybe this time. Maybe this time. 540 was your entry. 545 rather. I'm so desperately wanting to be short, but I gotta get rid of my long position. I think I'll go ahead and get rid of it. Forget it.
Hey, good morning, everyone.
Hey, good morning, buddy.
Good morning, Raj.
How many people are in BCTX in the room? Because that is your drop area. And 506 is your target. Nice one, Diego. David is not. Diego is in. Pete, you are avoiding it, huh? No locates for Canada. Canada is always singled out. You know, you guys can switch to center points, but center points will get you all the locates you want, and they hardly have any bans. They do have bans on some of the Canadian stocks as well, and you can trade them, but you have to have over 30K account, 27K account on Centerpoint. But they give you a lot of perks. Centerpoint gives you Benzinga, and that gives you trade ideas and all that stuff for free. But it is also $169 a month. There's 505, guys. There is 505. Diego, you almost have made it. You almost have made it, guy. I've been saying since morning, guys. 506, 550 to 506, 550 to 506. It's at 508, and this is where you're gonna take your profit at 498. This is where you're gonna take your profit, guys. You could have had 550 average, 545 average. Now it's at 5. So I'm pretty accurate, guys. I'm very, very accurate. When I tell you guys, I'm very accurate. On a price action, I can tell you this is a price action, what I just read you. I've been reading that to you for half an hour, right? 545, 550. I've been reading that to you like crazy. And I said 506, it's at $5. And that is 65% pretty much guaranteed. And it's a great stuff. And then overall, 94% accuracy with my 10% gain. You can't beat that one. You cannot beat that. You cannot beat that, guys. So it's not just price action, but it also making sense of the news, right? It's also making sense of the news. We are very good at making sense of the news as well. We rarely or seldomly get wrong with the interpretation of our news. Rarely. I mean, if you're an experienced campaigner in market, you tend to do well. But I'm happy with this one. One play, I'm happy. Elab. It's a nice, beautiful morning, guys. Slow, steady, easy. About $3,000, $3,300. One long, one short. That's it. I would rather Mira would have gone to like 133, because now it's hanging around 116. That's not, when they pick up volume, always game on, right? Mira, game on at this point. Now 133 is going to be difficult. Amira has a pretty low float as well. Wow, actually has 10 million float, but it behaves badly. So Diego, you are 10% in money, buddy, for your size cuts if you want. That really actually did a lot of billing here. Now this is where I get like, when it gets to 9 o'clock and I get into a trade, that's where I have only 10-minute windows. So I'm running, it's a race against time at that point, you know. Then I get agitated, irritated at 9:15, 9:17 because I want to get out before market starts and have a clean slate, start fresh. So but I'm not in any trade, so not frustrating at all. SBEV is at 415. We'll get to 450. If you are long in that one, it's pretty certain it will get to 449. 449. SBEV will get to 449 before you short it. So I don't know, if you try to get a locate now, it's expensive. It's very expensive for some platforms. SBEV float is only 1.29 million.
Cents.
Yeah, 35 cents is not worth it. Remember that, guys. 35. You need only less than 2%. So if it's a $5, so 5 cents is 1%. 10 cents is 2%. Do that. 4.5 cents is 1%. 9 cents is okay. 8 cents, 9 cents is okay. This is what I was telling you. It's going to get to 445 if you're long. SBEV, without even a doubt, it's going there. I saw this pattern where they were going crazy with this thing yesterday. Several times, guys. So guys, we are trading live with HammerXTraders and our members and team. Please like our channel, share it, and not just the video, guys, like the channel itself, so that way, you know, you guys get to see us trade live for 1 hour. And then if you need more, and you need like a real mentor and teaching and walking you through the trades all day long, we're here. So it got to 442, this SEBV. That's where it was short also. It's in a short zone between 440, 455. It's absolutely in a short zone. Now you're going to get paid on the short side. If you're long, you need to get your position out. They were just a little bit weaker. Remember, I have this line at 449. So if you trying to do exact line, nobody will tell you exact entry. I'll tell you that. Nobody can tell you exact entry at 449 or 460. So you have to start building positions and have leverage where you can have. What you want to do is you want to make your average. That's the way we trade. So when you see on my chart multiple entries, it's not one entry. It's multiple entries. So I would get in with the 30% size and keep adding till I'm comfortable at 447. I know that I need to make my average to 445, 447 and stop at 480. So I will get as much as I can at 447. Now, if it was a different stock than SBEV, I would start building from 435. And then I'll do 455. But this is more of a solid in that area. Just right around here. Between this area, right here where my line is, 448. And then 458. That's a pretty solid area. And that's what you can target. 35 cents locate is not worth it. And you must know your stop also, guys. 489. 485 was the high yesterday. 489 is your stop. So basically 45 cents. You got to make your average 445 if you can. And it's going to give you a little bit up and down to add and cut. You can add and cut, right? Practice it. Yeah, it's fun if you like our profile. Of course, you guys have been really supportive. Yesterday, I saw like 149 likes on the video, 140 on the live trade or recap yesterday. 1,049 likes. That was amazing. So I really appreciate the support. Like I said, we're very proud. 94% win rate. This is a prime example right here. That's a prime example. Prime example was calling BCTX at 545 short all the way to 506. It worked out just like a dream. This one right here, the one that you're watching, that was 445 entry. It's 429. You know where you're going to take your profit? $4. Between $4 and $3.95. That's where you're going to take your profits. On SBEV. Okay, how much more can we help you with? There's a stop at 490. There's a target. There's an entry. It's going down. It's going down. It's at 420. So what do you have to fear is that you must have your stop loss. So when it gets to 489, don't be like brittle and say, I think it's gonna fall more from here. Just get out. You know, it's a proven system that produces result 94% of the time. So that's how we trade it all day. Breaking out is Mira. Breaking out is Mira, guys. It's back at 40%. 851. I'm still interested, but this thing is going to fail again, even now. Not in the area, guys. Again, it's going to fail. It's going to fail again. Mira hasn't done drama in about 4 months. It's getting very tempting. 40%, 42%. It's not up enough. It is up enough, but I want 30. Let's go in 27, guys. Let's go in 27. Let's go in at 27. Okay, so I am in at 28 now. I am in at 28 on MIRA. I'm going to take more at 36, 37. Let's see. These are big, nice candle, juicy candles right now. So it should do it. It should do it. And I'm okay with it because I am in 40% of my size. Mira. And I am going to target 116. That's all I'm targeting right now. There you go. SEVV. What did I tell you guys? $4 and $3.90. Look at that. Did I tell you guys 445 entry? And did I tell you it's going to go under 4? Did I tell you BCTX is going to do exactly that? Now it's turn for Mira. So if you did SBEV, if it wasn't for the locate, I would have taken it. There's 125, 124. I don't need to cut any size. I'm good with profit at 116. Possibly 116 and 111. So SBEV would have given you exactly what you guys wanted, right? And look at the precision. Look at the precision where it bounced. Mira has a drama. That's why I just like was reluctant right now. But I am in, right? You're in. There we go, 33, 34. Come on, a little more. I can pull it up. 650K. Yeah, it has not done. Is there any news on Mira? I don't think so.
Mira has a news, Raj.
What's the news?
They tell Beijing a strong efficiency in diabetic neuropathy model, with
Oh,
some
okay.
subject achieving complete reversal.
Okay.
The phase 1 completion news.
Phase 1. Okay, got you. There we go. 24, 22. Come on, needs to drop a little bit more. That's a full body. That's a full body. Come on. You can do it. Come on, Mira. Mira. Give us one solid Mira. We need solid one. Yeah, once the pumpers get hold of this one, oh my God, this is just turns into like $2.70. So initially, it's very sweet. BCTX is back. Guys, BCTX is same area again. 540 would be short. SBEV, I told you guys exact areas. BCTX told you exact areas also. Yeah, problem is it's up. A stock like this, Mira, they're generally known to do like 120%. So 40% is always uneasy. First time they're good. Second time they're iffy. Third time they're not going to be good. Look at that move. 130. 133. I'll be surprised if they drop it. Even though I'm in, I'll be surprised. Come on, twice the full body. 15 seconds. Don't reclaim here. Don't reclaim. No
I'll
reclaim.
break that 128 here.
Hmm.
Bouncing from 122.
Yeah. Okay. One more drop, please. One more, one more, one more, one more, one more, one more. One more. What time is it? Oh my God, it's 9 o'clock as well. This is exciting stuff though, guys. Trading is always fun. Mm, 3 seconds, come on down, come on down, come on down, come on down, come on down. What? Okay, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Cutting a little bit size, guys, considering it's time of the day. I am pretty hefty in the size also. I have like $22,000 worth of equity in it. not a full size, but 22,000 is pretty good.
NEM Divine completes its non-core divestiture program with sale of Akiem and Porcupine. That's November Echo Michael, NEM.
Come on, dude. Drop it more.
RONN, Ron, Inc. secures and signs joint venture in Saudi Arabia with expected 90-10 financial terms. That's phase 2 of Middle East expansion. That's Romeo Oscar.
Romeo Oscar November. 0.0002 stock. Buy that one now.
Which one?
RONN. Look at the price of that stock.
RONN.
That'd be one for STT to chase.
I know, right? I know.
RONN trades on the pink sheets. NFTC, Neuro One Medical, reiterating its fiscal 2025 guidance. November Michael Tango Charlie. Second round of Iran U.S. nuclear talks to be held in Rome on Saturday. That's from
You know Mira is going to bounce in the market time. You guys know that, right?
Oh yeah, Mira runs crazy.
Yep. Mira runs crazy, does bounces. We know Mira's tricks. And once it breaks this 160 and goes to 184 and then comes back to 160, that's your long entry, FYI. So we know where the long entry is on this one too. Yeah, they're holding in a bull pattern here. Now they have a small candle and then the big candle's coming up. But we'll be okay, I think. It's a race against time, but so be it. There you go.
Hey, Raj, are you in Mira?
Mm-hmm.
Are you short?
I am short.
Okay.
And 144 is an ad. Hopefully it drops from here though. Pretty good size again. Made my average to 133 at this point. Let's get some sell from 140 all the way down. Also, I'll be cutting some sizes also, guys. So I can add more. Wow, huge sell. Somebody bought into that. That's okay. 144. My average is pretty shitty. 133. This is Mira for you. Mira does this all the time. First time always sweet, and then after that it's the nasty part. Still breaking out 55%. Come on, drop it. Drop it now. Drop. Drop, 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 drop. Keep dropping, keep dropping. We can cut our size. Come on. Come on, 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 come on. Nope. But after this move, it's a drop. After this move, it's a drop. There's slight move and then it's a drop, guys. The major size, make sure you cut your average, okay? Profit is at 116 still. Profit is only at 116.
AMD Advanced Micro Devices, company said on April 15th, it completed its initial assessment of a new license requirement implemented by the U.S. government
Oh boy, this could be trouble here, guys.
for the export of certain semiconductor products to China, including compound McDowell and
Come on, 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 come on.
applies to the company.
Problem is they're dropping it again on early on the candle. Only
Assurance that the licenses will be
okay.
granted.
Let's go.
Said may result in charges of up to $800 million in inventory purchase commitments and other related reserves. That's Alpha Michael Delta from a 8K filing.
Come on, dude. Go under 30. Nope. It's going to move again, guys. It's got some nastiness. $142. I think 123 is the best it's going to do, guys, this time. It's going to do 123 as the best. 116 is out of window now. 123, even 123 would be like a luck. Slight luck. Just needs to drop quick enough to get to 123. Guys, it's below the average or near the average, so you can cut your sizes. If you're oversized, that is. Every time it pushes, you see the pushes from the bottom. That's dirty. It needs to break this with a big candle. There you go, guys. I cut some size. And I am cutting profit in money. I'm cutting size in money, that is. All right? I'm cutting size in money. I'm also running against the time, so it's all good.
And the time is bothering now.
It's all good. It's all good. 127 just now. 133 average. Pretty good size. Down to 10,000 shares now, so it should be okay. I was up to like 28,000 shares on this. 10,000 shares is still left. 10,000 shares. So this is a right position right now, guys. I'm okay from here. I just cut about 4% in profit. Time of the day, that is correct. So that's why you want to get out as much as you can. Like I said, I still want to get to my target. So I've left, I mean, decent size to make money on. Not oversized by any means. But I've waited patiently. I wanted to get 137 average. So 137 to 123 would have been just perfect. How many people have 136, 137 average? I'd be very proud. In market time, I would have done that in a heartbeat. $138 for Diego. Beautifully done. Now you can cut it easily. Nice, guys. Beautifully done. Make sure you keep a very 1/3 size. That's it. Wait for a little profit. Wait for 10%. Wait for 120 to 121 if possible. If not, we close it in another 2 minutes. In 2 minutes, we close it. In 2 minutes, we close it, guys. It's gonna force us to play this stupid thing. This is what I hate about 915s. Guys, we can reset it. Let's reset it, all right? Let's get out and then we will do it in the market time. Let's do it in the market time, guys. It's 9:15. And if it drops, it drops. You know, we don't lose anything.
Customs Trades AI to find our goods verification in shifting tariff landscape. STAI.
Guys, I am out. I am out.
Yep, I'm out.
CDNS cadence to acquire ARM Artisan Foundation.
I think it still looks good for 120, but 9:15, it's done. Guys, I did not get to recap, but then you can watch my recap video from yesterday on just about all my social media platform. I've done really good. I am up $6,700 for the morning. Some good sizes. $6,724.40 for market. I mean pre-market, that is. Here comes it still. I think this was just a matter of another 2 minutes. It's going 121. I'm out. Done with it. Just 9:15 irritates me. 9:20 gets difficult for me. So anyway, thanks for joining, guys. Please like and share our profile with your friends. So and you know, liking video is also really fun. So thank you so much. Talk to you guys later. Bye.